Hey, welcome back to Cleves Backyard Woodworking. Today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of this Orbital sander by DeWalt. So every beginner to pro woodworker needs a quality sanding tool. And there's all kinds of machines out there to get to make everything easier on projects, from oscillating sanders to belt sanders and disc sanders. So this is going to be my first Orbital sander. It was a Christmas gift from my grandparents. Finally got one. Finally going to unbox it for you guys and check it out. Have you noticed from before other videos, I've been using this Ryobi palm sander, and this is a great tool, but you have to do most of the work of the sanding, so hopefully this one will make things more easier. So let's unbox it and check this thing out. So right now I just got one tape on here, and I'll take my pocket knife. Nice engraved pocket knife, the letter D on it. So just one little tape. All right. So about this tool, this is the model DWE6423K. It's 120 volt, 3-point amps. It's got 8,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, and it's a hook and loop sander. So it comes with the sander, the dust bag, and the kit bag. So right here we got the kit bag. Got the instruction manual. We got this sander and the dust bag. So right out of the box is real simple. Pull them out. Take it out of the plastic. Alrighty. So this is a 5-inch disc sander. Has the variable speed dial right here. The on and off switch right here. Very convenient. A nice grip. Nice handle grip to it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how the dust bag goes on. It's pretty simple. So you grab the sander, grab the dust bag, and you pretty much just push it on there and turn it clockwise, and it locks in place. So now it's on there. You can also attach a vacuum to it. Let's get a sanding disc on here. So this Orbital sander takes a hook and loop sanding disc. I right here have a 5-inch 100 grit medium. It has 8 holes. This sander has 8 holes. So this is perfect. I got this one at Harbor Freight. Let's put one on. So hook and loop is pretty much like a Velcro. So just line up the holes. Line up the holes like that. Push it on firmly, and it's on there. That simple. Alright, so let's plug it in. Let me find a piece of some wood or something to try it out. Alright, so this is plugged in. I have it on the first setting, so I'll turn it on. Yeah. That's on the first setting. So I have this little scrap here I want to sand off. This is engraved in deep, so, and this is only 100 grit, so So it may take me a little while. So let's speed it up. I'll go to 2. Go to 3. 4. So the oscillating part here and the orbital goes up to 6. That would be about a maximum of 12,000 orbits per minute. So let's try it on some higher speeds. And I'll put it on 4 right now. That, it's almost gone. It's very smooth. 100 grit, not bad. I'm going to speed it up to 6. Watch my fingers. And here we go. Also, don't forget to wear hearing protection, eye protection, dust mask. All right, that's pretty good. You can see right there, took off what I had on there. It's nice and smooth. All right, very minimal dust. Let's undo this and see how much dust we got in this bag. So, yeah, it collected a bunch. Can you see that in there? I don't think so. There, dust. Got the sawdust. Alright, and there you have it. This is the DeWalt Orbital sander, the DWE6423K. I need to buy some more of these different types of sanding discs. I like to get a variety. 80, 120, 220 grit. If you guys are looking for a orbital sander and you're just beginning woodworking, just as myself, take a good look at this one. There's so many options out there to get. I'll leave a link to this one in the description. Alright, so let's pack it up. Put it in this little bag here. Get it unplugged. Wrap this cord up. Take off the sanding disc. Lay it right in there. Put the sanding discs back. Stick it in there. Zip it up. Ready to store it. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing of the DeWalt Orbital sander. If you haven't already checked out my other videos, I have my DeWalt table saw. You can watch that one. I'll leave a link to that one. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And thanks everyone for watching. Until next time, check you guys later. Bye.